What's everyone saying? It's your boy Sam Exports back again. I'm here today outside Glasgow Queen Street Station, and in today's video we're going to be heading to Glasgow's newest station, Robroyston, and you're going to be joining me.
The next station is Springburn. The next station is Robroyston.
See, I've got my face covering on, being COVID secure. We love to see it. I'm here at Robroyston, Glasgow's newest station. It's just on the border of Glasgow and Glasgow City and one of the other council areas of Scotland. I say it's new, but it was only built in, well, it was built in 2019. Of course, it's 2021 now. Of course, the whole pandemic hasn't really helped with the whole going out places and going to different places. But yeah, it's a nice new station. Look at these brand new departure screens. I think it's time to try out the lift.
Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing. Doors opening.
It is quite obvious there's two platforms here at the station, and the services are mainly just between Glasgow Queen Street and Edinburgh Waverley via Cumbernauld. I think they're hourly services, but as I've been able to see, I think the peak time services go into every half an hour. So the next service from here to Edinburgh is in 20-ish minutes, because I've just got off my train. But yeah, it's a nice new station. There's also 2 car parks. There's one car park on this side here, which serves the area, town, settlement of Milliston. And we also have here on this side another car park. And then this area here where there's been development, there's going to be some new houses in this area. And then if you can see through down there, let me zoom to that, zoom. We're going to go down there in a bit. That is down to Robroyston Asda, and that's where you can find all the other buses and all the other stuff like that. Yeah, it's quite a nice chill station. Let's have a walk around and see what we can find outside this place. Of course, shout out Jeff Marshall. You cannot leave the station without getting a shot of the wind blowing the lovely plastic bin bag. Even though there's not much wind, but we move. See, I'm gonna try to record a bit on my phone because, you know, gotta save that camera battery. Did I even say that right? I honestly don't understand it. Why is it snowing? Look at the clouds. Oh my days. It's sunny, it's warm, and it's snowing. Oh, little. Yeah, I've found a hack. I'm just gonna charge my laptop with my laptop, charge my camera with my portable charger. I'm gonna put this away because, yeah, snow. Okay, I've realized, back on the phone, I realized it's hail. But it started off as snow and then, you know, like mid-hail. Because, you know, it's not that hail that hurts you, that exfoliates your skin. But it's that nice hail, you know, it just, you get me? Like, I've seen much worse. So it's taken me about 13 minutes. I'm gonna get some water, contribute to local economy, and I'll catch you in a bit. So I have just come back from the Robroyston Asda, got myself a nice, well, Asda, the thing is, Asda don't do a meal deal, but they've got this thing where it's like you pick 3 items and then the cheapest one is free. But it works out more expensive than an actual like normal meal deal, like a £3 Tesco one. But I'm like, why not? Let's try it. You know, if it's bad, it's bad, but yeah. So I think now what we're gonna do, I've just come back from there, we're gonna walk back to Robroyston station, see a bit more, because there's a few little things that I find so interesting about the station, and then head on to the other side and go through Milliston and check out a cheeky loch down the road from here. So the station's down there. You see that bridge over there? So that bridge, zoom. So that bridge used to go over another set of train tracks. So over there used to be Robroyston East Junction, one of the Robroyston junctions. And then if you can see this little bit here, through there, railway would have gone through under the motorway up to wherever, you know, it's on the screen right now. I took off the hood because why not? So right now, look, I'm walking on, this is the path of the old railway that would have gone to, on the screen, through that way, under where the motorway is now. So where the car park is now, which I mentioned earlier, this area used to be a marshalling yard, and it got closed down in the 1960s, I think 1965, somewhere around that time. And yeah, that got completely taken away. There's no evidence of it at all, except probably the, you know, the little dent that we saw as we're passing by, and also that bridge that we're gonna go have a look and see. Bada bing, bada boom. I guess when you come up closer to it, you can see clearly, like, this defo used to be a railway line that came off this one just here. Like, see, you can see the direction that it would have gone. You see what, I'm just gonna walk on the bridge, and then, yeah, look, it's just all vegetation now on this side. And then on this side, where the new houses are going to be, I am guessing they're going to redo this bridge or something like that, and then through there it's going to be new housing development. I want to see, you know, give it like, I don't even know, X amount of years. I want to see what this place will look like once that whole development over there is finished. Because I'm guessing much more people will be using the station. Because to me right now, it just feels like this would be kind of like a park and ride. So people will come off the motorway, park their car there, and then head into Glasgow or something like that. But yeah, because I don't see anyone on the train platform right now on any of them. I think I only saw 2 people come off the train with me, so it is what it is. But you know, in the future we'll see. I'm assuming this little bit here, this kind of little turn off here from the car park, seems like somewhere where there'd be, I don't know, bus drop-offs, taxi drop-offs. You can see the little raised hump there. So hopefully in the future we can see some public transport. That'll be so beautiful. So this is what I've come to see, the 7 locks. So we are here at Robroyston station. Gonna walk down this road and head here to Hogganfield Loch and have a walk around, you know, get some steps in. It's gonna be tasty. Crazy how there's a lot of places in Scotland, even a lot of places in the city, in Glasgow, that I've not been to, that I've not discovered. Like, I never knew this was here. It's on the east side of the sea. Like, back in normal times, you'd always just be in the West End and, you know, go to a place that a lot of people know, but a cheeky loch in Glasgow City. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Yeah, I've put the hood back on because it's hailing again, heavy. I think I'm going to continue this walk around the loch, you know, enjoy the sights, enjoy the views, enjoy the hail just hitting my face like every second. If you like the video, make sure you drop a like, comment what you want to see in the future, and I'll catch you in the next one. It's been your boy Someone Explores. I'll see you in a bit.